Statoil Energy Ventures is Statoil's, or one of Statoil's responses to the transition that is occurring within the energy market. Statoil Energy Ventures was launched in February of 2016 as a $200 million venture capital fund that is looking to invest in clean tech opportunities that will help give us insight into the transition that is occurring in the energy market and hopefully present some growth opportunities for Statoil in the future. We launched in February 2016, and during 2016 we made a number of investments. Probably the one that may be most well known within and North American context is an investment in ChargePoint, which is the largest electric vehicle charging infrastructure company in the US. We've also invested in a small New York-based company called Convergent Energy and Power. That is a technology agnostic storage project developer. And we've also then invested in some new sort of future technology in a UK company called Oxford PV that is developing a new type of perovskite cell that potentially can be merged with silicon and enhance the efficiency of existing PV cells. I think one of the areas from a technology perspective, but also from a business perspective, that is very valuable to us is the investment in ChargePoint. When you look at Statoil's revenues, and particularly our oil revenues, greater than 50% of the oil revenues are related to light-duty vehicle transportation. And for anybody who has looked at the transportation sector, seeing how electric vehicles are penetrating into the national car park has great significance for oil companies with a significant exposure to that segment. One of the reasons that is happening is the technological developments around electric vehicles, but also the ease in which there is to charge vehicles. You don't have to be close to a gas station. You can pretty much charge your vehicle wherever there is an electricity supply. And that seeing how that impacts the demand for electricity and the technological advances in engaging with the ultimate car user is also very interesting for us. From a broader technology perspective, we've made this investment in Oxford PV. Again, any market observer will have seen the great improvements there have been in the cost levels for panels within the solar industry. And ultimately, anything that can be done to improve the efficiency of panels from a technological perspective is very interesting. A third technological area that we're very interested in is with the enormous improvements there have been in computing and digital capabilities over the last number of years. That is changing the way that consumers engage with energy. It's changing the way the suppliers of the utility companies are engaging with their customers. And understanding new technological developments coming out of the digital space is also very important for us. From a Statoil perspective, any investment opportunity has to satisfy a strategic rationale. So for us, that means we are looking for an investment opportunity that will support our existing renewable activities, or that could grow into a future growth platform for Statoil, or something that will significantly impact or disrupt the energy space. Once we've satisfied that strategic rationale, We then use a traditional venture capital evaluation. We look at what is the market that it's targeting, how good is the management team, what barriers to entry are there, what's the regulatory sort of regime that it operates within, what is the potential exit for us, and we have a sort of a complete evaluation, and can this opportunity deliver the returns we expect to or required to justify the investment. If you look at where we are in the energy market, oil and gas will continue to be an important part of the energy mix for the foreseeable future. However, we do see significant growth occurring within the electricity segment and also within the renewable segment, and we do believe that the energy market is on a transition. Where that transition will end up, that's part of the excitement of the journey. And as part of that sort of transition, we're looking to sort of prepare for the future.